We're going to have chocolate zucchini blueberry muffins today. So let's get all our things together. Don't worry, the recipe is at the end of the video, but we are going to start off with our flour, our baking powder, our baking soda, and salt. Mix them together. Get your milk and put your vinegar in, which I thought was so gross, but I found out it makes buttermilk. Voila! Who knew? I didn't. Add your egg, stir it up nice till it's all nice and mixed, and then you're going to add your dry ingredients. You're going to mix it up lightly, not too much, otherwise it will not rise properly. Go ahead, add your cocoa powder. Mix that up till it's medium mix. Then go ahead, add your blueberries and your zucchini. Once again, stir it around, not over mixing, but just make sure everything is covered and mixed together. Go ahead, spray up your pan, put them in little blobs, put them in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. But once again, every oven is different. Go ahead and check. When you're done, take them out, cool them down in the pan a little bit, pop them out, put them on your rack and let them cool. It is super duper fabulous.